Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Yes. How late are you guys open till today? 1. Oh, so you're closing really soon. My landlord's here looking at my refrigerator, and he wants to replace the condenser fan. You do. How much? Oh, it's for Frigidaire. Okay. What's the model number? Okay, yeah, we'll get back to you later since you're almost closing. Okay, all right, thanks. Bye. So they do have them, okay, and I can wait till Monday. That's not a big issue.
Well, you need a freezer if you can get by.
Yeah.
You want a cooler? You want a cooler?
Oh, well, I got a cooler right there, so yeah, I'm good with that.
Let's stop here. He's closed. Don't mean somebody else ain't.
Maybe. What about True Value? That's okay. There it is, okay.
He ever charges shit anyway. He breaks me at the other place.
S&S or Hartwell Road?
Maybe.
Yeah.
S&S, what's their hour?
Let's see, okay.
This model number, what did he say he needed the model number?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. The hell out of the name.
Same thing, 1 o'clock. Sunday. Oh, here it is. Same thing.
Here, do this for me, Carl.
Mm-hmm.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Condenser fan unit.
Okay. Oops, let me get all this other stuff out of here.
Or wait, just put this down. Capital FFTR.
Capital FFTR.
1814.
I think that stupid tape radio tape has been last for over 20 years.